So I get the fact that we have people working in a roadwork zone. My question is, if they're not working on the actual road I'm driving from and they're working off the road, do I really need to slow down to 40 when they're not working on the road I'm actually on? We've got wire rope barriers protecting them, and yet I'm still supposed to slow down. What's the point of the wire rope barriers? We've got wire rope barriers here protecting me from running into a paddock. That seems to me to be a substantial waste of taxpayers' money. I should be allowed to run into a paddock. Surely that would be safer than running into a wire rope barrier and bouncing me back onto the road. There are serious potholes and road issues with the surface of the road all the way to Colac. And we've got a major infrastructure project coming in for barriers, but the road seems to have been left to rot. And a patchwork quilt is not an answer. We've got so many speed zones dropping to 40, and then we, the drivers, are expected to rip back to 100 immediately after the 40 zone. We really deserve far better management of our roads, and the amount of speed zone signs is just ridiculous. Wire rope barriers here that stop me running off into a paddock. We've got 40 at a cross intersection to slow me down, and 60. Surely isn't that just the same as every other intersection on every other road? And if we're worried about people in the roadwork zone coming into the traffic stream, isn't that the same as every other intersection? Are we treating drivers like they're in primary school mentality and we have to make them slow down? Or are we perhaps in need of this overhaul of this whole roadwork system and how we're managing the road? The cost of transport alone must be phenomenal, and that is being passed on to us, the consumer. And the state government, I really think you need to relook at this. This is just ridiculous. One trip to Colac and back. Looking forward to the outcomes, but do we really need so many speed zones? And can we have the road fixed, not just wire rope barriers, as you can see there, running me into a paddock? My name's Craig Waters. Idrivesafety. Please do so. You're supposed to read all of them, are you?